Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In today's video, I am here in front of you with a new topic, process of eating in art and industry. Friends, if you are new in my YouTube channel, I am requesting you to please like and subscribe my channel so that in future you can get more informative videos. I will share my experience about process of eating in art and industry. The process of eating on glass is carried out by using a wax stencil. The stencil is placed on area of glass of mirror that are to be saved from acid. The glass of mirror is dipped into hydrofluoric acid. The acid then dissolves part of the glass, thus eating it. This process has been very dangerous because the acid would damage the skin and tissues of artist's body. Although it is also dangerous acid, yet eating done with acid is very attractive as compared to using other chemicals. If we talk here about the pH scale, construction of hydrogen iron plus in pure water is the basic for the pH. For the pH scale, water is a weak electrolyte because it is ionized very slightly into ionization of a process called auto-ionization of self. H2O H plus H OH minus. The equation expression of this reaction may be written as this is the equation of pH scale. As contraction of water H2O is almost constant. The above equation may be written as this is the new equation in front of you, a new equilibrium constant known as ionic product contains of water used instead of product of equilibrium constant and H2O. Therefore, as we know, one molecule of water produces one iron plus. As it is difficult to deal with such small figures having negative exponents, so it is convenient to convert these figures into a positive figure using a numerical system. It is taking the common base 10 algorithm of the figure of multiplying is with minus 1. P before a symbol means negative algorithm of symbol, so P before H means negative algorithm of H plus. Therefore pH is the negative logarithm of molar of the hydrogen ions. That is why pH log H plus. With reference to the equation, a scale develops according to the construction of ions, that is called pH scale. It ranges from 0 to 14. So here is the similar equation to find the pH. So the sum of pH and pOH of solution is always 14 at 25 degrees centigrade, such as hydraulic acid, slightly acids, neutral, slightly bases, highly bases. Here is the pH of all these bases, and in next line pOH is here. I hope you have understand about pH and pOH. Highly acid, slightly acid, neutral, and slightly basis, highly basis. Guys, if you like my topic, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Learning with Zubi, and also share my videos to your friends. Hope you like this, and also mention in comment box which video you want next, which topic you want. I would have to share my ideas on it. So please like and share it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.